In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on a PowerPoint presentation in just about 5 minutes. Collaborating on presentations has become a cornerstone of modern work and education, allowing team members to contribute, edit, and refine content no matter where they are in the world. Whether you're working on a school project, a business proposal, or any other type of presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint makes collaboration effortless and intuitive. Let's dive in and see how you can take full advantage of this feature. First things first, let's start by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This is usually just a couple of clicks away either from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar, depending on where you have it pinned. Once you've opened PowerPoint, you'll be greeted with a variety of options, but for now, we're interested in the presentation you're planning to collaborate on. Next, you're going to want to open your file. Navigate to the Open tab, which you'll find in the left-hand pane. Here you can access recent documents, or browse your computer or cloud storage to find the PowerPoint presentation you wish to work on. Select your file and open it, getting it ready for collaboration. With your document open, the next step is to click on the File menu. This is located in the top left corner of your screen. The File menu is where a lot of the behind-the-scenes magic happens in PowerPoint, from saving and opening files to adjusting options and, importantly for us, sharing. After clicking on File, your next move is to click on Share. This option is also found in the same File menu. In older versions of PowerPoint, you might need to look for similar terms like share with people or invite people. The essence remains the same. It's all about getting your document out there for others to contribute. Following that, you need to click on Share with people. This option is super important because it officially opens the door to collaboration. It shifts your presentation from being a solitary endeavor to a team project. Once you click this, you're prompted to invite others to your document. This brings us to a crucial step, typing in the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. This can be a single person or multiple individuals depending on the nature of your project. Enter their email addresses in the provided field. As you do this, you might also see options to set editing permissions. It's a good idea to think about who needs edit access and who might just need to review the document. After you've got everything set up to your liking, hit send. Your colleagues or classmates will receive an invitation to join in and collaborate on your PowerPoint presentation. But before we wrap up, let's touch on a few extra tips to ensure a smooth collaboration process. One key aspect is communication. Make sure you and your team discuss any major changes before they're made. PowerPoint does a great job of tracking changes, but it's still essential to keep everyone in the loop to avoid confusion or conflicting edits. Also, remember that you can use the comments feature within PowerPoint to leave notes or feedback for your team members. This is great for pointing out specific elements that need attention without altering the content directly. Plus, it helps keep a record of suggestions and ideas that you can refer back to. In summary, Microsoft PowerPoint has made collaboration not just possible, but incredibly straightforward. By following these steps, opening your presentation, accessing the share options, and inviting your team members to contribute, you're unlocking a whole new dimension of productivity and teamwork. Whether you're perfecting a pitch, assembling a lecture, or crafting any presentation with a group, taking advantage of PowerPoint's collaboration features can significantly enhance your end product. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the key to successful collaboration is not just in using the right tools, but also in maintaining clear communication and a shared vision with your team. Happy collaborating, and until next time, keep creating.